Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about BlueStacks alternative. Here you can search for Mumuplayer. This one is the official website where you can get this application. You can use it on your Windows laptop as well as you can use it on Mac operating system. Let me try it on Windows. Click here. Now here you can see downloading started. Now downloading is complete. Here you can use this one installer. Click here. And now installation process is starting. Click on install button. Here you can check the size. So guys, here you can see app is installed. Now simply you can go and click on play button to start the Android variant. Here you can see now it will take few seconds to start. And here you can see this one looks like mobile layout. Here you can go to App Center, and now this one is Play Store. You can install any of the game by clicking here and then simply click on install button. If you want to use applications that are available on Google Play Store, then you need to go here and search for an application. For example, let me search for WhatsApp. Then you need to add your Google Play Store account. Here you need to add your Gmail account. You can sign in, add your Gmail account and password. After that you will be able to install these type of applications like WhatsApp and different type of other messengers.